Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Excel Tutorials. Today we will discuss about change case. In Excel we had three types of change cases. One is lowercase, uppercase and proper. So in two methods we can change the cases in Excel. So one is with formula and another one is without formula. So this is Viru Vemula. You are watching my channel Excel Tutorials. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. Let's get into the topic. Now we have the students data. In the students data, in student names are in lowercase. Now with the using formula, so we will change the case. Now uppercase now is equal to upper bracket start open bracket and select the test and close the bracket and press enter. Copy entire formula here. So now it will change to lowercase to uppercase. Now let's see lowercase is equal to lower open bracket open bracket and select the test and close the bracket, press enter. Now the data is changed to lowercase. Now the proper case. Then in proper case, so it is nothing but so every word it starts with capital letter. Now let's see proper bracket open bracket and select the data, close the bracket and enter. Now see every word, every first word it is capital letter it is coming. No, so, as I told you earlier, so without using formula also we can change the cases. Now we will see the second method. Without formula we will change the cases. So that is select the data and is equal to in which format you want, you first you write that one. Suppose we want uppercase. Now enter Ravi. So select the cells wherever the data you want and press Ctrl E. If you Ctrl press E and you can use the data in flash fill option here. You can go you can get it like that also. Now we will use proper case. Select the data and go to home tab. In home tab in that flash fill, so it will come automatically. Just we have to delete this one and you press the enter, it will come automatically. Now once again we will use that option N Ravi, select the range, go to the home tab, flash fill, enter the flash fill. In this way we can change the data. Hope you understand the video. Thanks for watching my videos. Please do like and share, subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you very much.